We're going to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers, and we're going to do it really, really quickly. You can do it, of course, by using a more formal written method, basically a column method, but we're going to do something a little bit different because really, two-digit by two-digit, you should be able to do that mentally with a bit of practice. All you need to do is to know the pattern, and the pattern goes like this. So you start from the right, as you would normally, I suppose. You start from the right, and it's up and down, crisscross, up and down. Simple as that. And here's how it looks. Okay, so let's do the first one here, 82 multiplied by 34. So I'll do it like this so there's a bit of room. Okay, like I said, first movement is up and down. Okay, we're up to here. So up and down is 2 times 4. 2 times 4, 8. Simple. The next step is crisscross. So we just go crisscross and you add the products. Okay, so 8 times 4 is 32 and we add 3 times 2, which is 6. Now you should be able to do that mentally on the fly because that's 38. So what happens is you put the 8 here and you carry the 3 over to the next column to add to the next product. Okay, so the next and the last step is up and down, like that. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27, and that's what we write down. And that's the final answer. As simple as that. Let's keep going and do the next one, which is 23 multiplied by 35. Okay, again, do your pattern. So up and down is first. So 3 times 5 is 15. Put the 5 here, carry that 1 over into the next place value. Next one is crisscross, so up to there. So crisscross. So we got 10, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 times 3 is 9, so it's 19, right? Plus 1 is 20, so 0 goes there, 2 goes over to the next column, okay? And the last step is up and down, just like that. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And that's the final answer. And let's do the last one, is 86 times 94, okay? And let's do our steps. First step, up and down. So that's 24, right? 4 goes here, 2 goes over to the next place value to be added to the next product. Next step, crisscross. Let's do it. This one here is 32, right? And 54. So 4 times 8 is 32. 9 times 6 is 54. Add those two together, you get 86 plus 2, 88. 8 goes there, the other 8 goes there. And the last step is up and down again, 72, right? Plus 8, that's 80. And so that is the final answer right there.